Hey kiddos, good morning. So today we're going to be doing 10-1. Okay. So if you don't have it, pause the video because I'm going to continue, okay? How are these addition problems alike? Talk to a partner about how you can use the first sum to help you find the second sum. So if you have a partner at home you can talk to about this, that's awesome sauce. If you don't, you can listen to what I say, okay? I want you to look at this. 3 plus 5 and 30 plus 50. If I take away the zeros, it's the same as the first problem, right? 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, we know that's easy peasy. That's 8. But I'm not so sure what 30 plus 50 is. So I'm going to draw it out. I'm going to draw my columns. 1, 2, 3, right? Because there's 3 in my first 10 spot. Now I'm going to draw the next one. 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 goes in my 10 spot. Do they look similar now, 8 and 8? They do, don't they? But we're not done because we have to do the 1 spot, right? We don't have anything in our 1 spot. Do I have any 1s on either side of these? No, I don't. So our answer is 80. Just like that. Okay? All right, let's flip the page and let's practice a little bit more. You know how to add 1s. Because 2 plus 3 equals 5. You can use this idea to add groups of 10. 2 10s plus 3 10s equals 5 10s. And they're right. Because there's 2 10s right here. 1, 2. And then there's 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. And then when we count them all together, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 10s. But we can also translate this to 2 10s is the same as 20. 3 10s is the same as 30. So 5 10s must be the same as 50. So I'm going to double check. Now I'm going to count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's 50. Yep, we got it right. Okay, so let's try our guided practice. I have 1, 2, 3 on the first one. So I have 3 10s. 3 10s is the same as 10, 20, 30. As 30. Now I'm going to do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 10s. Now let's do it counting by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. There's 40. So 3 10s plus 4 10s is the same as 30 plus 40. So now let's add them all together, okay? I know that 3 plus 4 is 7. But I'm going to double check just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, good, I'm right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count all of these by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 7 10s is the same as the number 70, right? All right, let's try number 2. I only have 1 right here. 1 10. I'm going to count by 10s to find out what this is. 10. Oh, that was easy peasy, right? All right, now let's try the next one. I'm counting by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 10s. Now I'm going to count it by 10s, okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1 10 is the same as the number 10. 5 10s is the same as 50. If I counted each individual square, I would get 50. If I count the columns, I get 5, right? Okay, now I'm going to count the columns, and I'm going to find out what our answer is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I could have done it a simpler way, right? I could have done 1 plus 5. We know that's 6. That's easy peasy. Now we're going to count the cubes, not the columns, the cubes. So we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 tens is the same as 60. Okay? All right. If you still need this page, pause it because I'm going to flip to the next one, okay? All right. Let's practice. And under each one, I want you to write another addition sign or addition equation underneath it, okay? Because we're going to do both. All right, so the first one, we're only going to count columns. 1, 2. That was easy. 1, 2. What's 2 plus 2? Right, that's 4. Okay, now let's do the next one. Now we're going to count by tens. 10, 20. 10, 20. Okay, let's count it all together. 10, 20, 30, 40. Our answer should be 40 because all together, if we count each cube, there's 40 cubes altogether. If we're just counting the column, we have 4 columns. Okay, make another one underneath here because we're doing the same thing again. All right, we're counting columns, not cubes. So columns is by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I know what 5 plus 3 is. That's easy, and it's 8. I'm going to turn this 5 into tens. So I'm going to count by tens because I want to count each cube in here. Okay, but I don't want to count them individually. So I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30. Now I'm going to count them all together, and I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. All right. Now let's try the next one. Again, draw it underneath. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, we know what 3 plus 1 is. It's super easy peasy, right? It's 4. Okay, now I'm going to count by tens because now I want to know how many cubes there are in all. 10, 20, 30. 10. Now I'm going to count them all together. 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, you guys see the pattern? I'm counting by ones first to do the first problem, and then I'm counting by tens to do the second problem, right? All right. Let's do this one. 1 plus 1 equals 2. That one was easy, right? Okay. Now let's try it again. Counting by tens. 10. 10. Now let's count them together. 10, 20. Okay, you guys see how that's done? Okay, I want you to draw one of these under each one of these because you're going to try this one. Oh, I messed up right there. Okay, you're going to try these 5 by yourself. So pause the video so you guys can try it. And then when you're done, you'll unpause it and I'll do it with you, okay? Go ahead and try now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8. Now I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. All right, if you got that one right, kiss your brain. Let's try this one. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that 2 plus 5 is 7. Now let's count by tens. 10, 20. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now I'm going to count them all together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All right, you got that one right? Kiss your brain. All right, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I know that 3 plus 3 is 6. Now I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Now I'm going to count them all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, let's count by ones. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1 plus 4 is so easy. That's 5. Now let's count by tens. 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let's count them all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, you got that one right? Kiss your brain. All right, let's do the last one. Counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5 plus 4, we know that one. That one's 9. Now let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, now let's count them all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. All right, you got all of them right? Kiss your brain. All right, kiddos, and that's all we're doing for today, okay? Have a good day. Bye.